What is your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from England.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim very well.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a small dog.
What is his name?
His name is Max.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
Who is your favorite player?
I like Lionel Messi.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny and warm today.
Do you like rain?
No, I don't like getting wet.
What is your phone number?
It is 555-123.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I want to eat something.
What do you want to eat?
I want a chicken sandwich.
Is it delicious?
Yes, it is very tasty.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to pop music.
Can you play guitar?
No, but I can play the piano.
What is your hobby?
I like reading books.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week.
What is the date today?
It is the 10th of October.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is in May.
Are you tired?
A little bit, it was a long day.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I love action movies.
Who is your favorite actor?
I really like Tom Cruise.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a red car.
Is it new?
No, it is 5 years old.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram every day.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook dinner for my family.
What can you cook?
I can make great pasta.
Do you like spicy food?
No, it hurts my stomach.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am having a great day.
Do you need help?
No thanks, I am fine.
What are you doing now?
I am talking to you.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course. What's wrong?
Where is the supermarket?
It is next to the pharmacy.
Is it far from here?
No, it is only 5 minutes away.
Do you have any money?
Yes, I have $20.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
What size do you wear?
I wear a medium size.
Do you like these shoes?
Yes, they look very comfortable.
How much is this shirt?
It is 15 pounds.
Is there a discount?
Yes, it is 10% off.
Do you want to go out?
Yes, let's go to the park.
Do you like dancing?
No, I am a bad dancer.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a pilot.
Do you study hard?
Yes, I study every evening.
What is your favorite subject?
I love history and art.
Are you afraid of spiders?
Yes, I am terrified of them.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, with 2 spoons of sugar.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I use it for my work.
Is it fast?
Yes, it is a brand new model.
Do you watch TV?
No, I prefer watching YouTube.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, especially with extra cheese.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I got my license last year.
Do you wake up early?
No, I am a night owl.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I grow tomatoes there.
Do you like flowers?
Yes, roses are my favorite.
Are you good at math?
No, math is very difficult for me.
Do you wear glasses?
Only when I am reading.
What's the matter?
I have a slight headache.
Did you take medicine?
Yes, I took an aspirin.
Do you like the sea?
Yes, it makes me feel calm.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play them on weekends.
What is your favorite fruit?
I love apples and bananas.
Do you have a watch?
Yes, it was a gift from my dad.
Do you like parties?
Only if they are not too loud.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am just relaxing.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, dark chocolate is the best.
Do you go to the cinema?
Once a month with my friends.
Do you use an umbrella?
Yes, when it rains heavily.
Is the water cold?
No, it is quite warm.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, vanilla is my favorite flavor.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, can I have some water?
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I ride it to the park.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, they are very loyal.
Do you work on Saturdays?
No, I only work on weekdays.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let me get my coat.